Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Woo. Only took 5 days to arrive from the States. So the Modern Love collection from Melt. Gosh, I've played with this today and I've come up with this eye look, and I've used one of the glosses on my lips. The box itself, I feel like I want to keep everything in the box. It's embossed and it looks like suede, but it's not practical, so I'm going to have to pull everything out. So I'll show you inside. So it comes like this. So there's a little card in there from the girls. So there's the pink looks that they came up with for the promotion, and then there's the grey and dark looks, which is so good. So there's the palette, Millennial Pinx, and then you've got 2 gel eyeliners. I've used the silver today, and this is more like a rose gold. And then there's 4 lip glosses, so I've used this one today. And I've swatched the others. They're absolutely gorgeous, so I will use them in some videos to come. I'll show you the palette first up. So it's very, very pretty. So you've got some dark greys on the end here. This one here, it's not a black and it's not a grey and it's not a brown, so it's really quite a unique colour. I really do like it, and I've used it on the outer corner here today. And then this is obviously a little bit of a lighter grey there. You've got your silvers, champagnes, there's beautiful shimmer colours here and here, and then this pink is stunning. Love that colour, I love pink. So I've used that today to come up with this eye look. So let's get into it. So I'm going in first up with Pink Panther, which is a very, very light pink colour there, on a Sigma E40 brush, a large blending brush. Just a bit of flyaway there. A little bit of kick up in the pan here as well. That's all good. So I'm just going to go in and pat that in first up, just so I can get that pigment in on that semi-wet base. So I haven't set that P.Louise. That's a beautiful light pink colour. One of my favourite colours, a very light pink like this. So I'm going right out, blowing it right out today. Okay, going in with Flamingo Dream, which is a darker pink, muted dusty pink on a Morphe 507. And I just want to go into the socket area and deepen up the crease. So that's a nice pink as well. They go together really quite well. So I'm going into the socket and just above. So I do have hooded eyes, so I've got to actually be able to see this colour, or I want to be able to see this colour. I'm just going to go to around about there, so not right down into the inner corner today. And then I'll get a little bit deeper or darker in the outer corner here. Or a little bit more colour, I should say, a little bit more product. I'm just blending that away into that light pink in the inner corner here. I'm just turning my brush more on the side and holding it right at the end here and just blending that upwards into that light pink colour. So I'm going into Modern Love, which is a darker dusty pink, very dark, almost verging on brown there. And then on the same brush, the Morphe 507. So I'm just going to place a little bit of this in the outer corner. And some swirly circular motions just to deepen that up. Just going to grab my NARS 42 and go over the edge there of that darker colour. It's darkened it up a little bit. feel like my eyes are starting to water as well, so if you get water on your eyelids, nothing's going to blend. So I'm going in with Mixed Emotions, which is a shimmer pink, and Makeup Forever 40 brush, 240 brush. And I'm just going to pop that shimmer on the inner corner here. Right over into the middle section. Just going back over with Modern Love and just blending that into the shimmer. So I want to try a little bit of the dark grey. So I'm going in with the GF on a 221. So I only want a tiny little bit of this just to deepen this up just a little bit more on the outer corner here. And my eyes are starting to water. Just bringing that up into the crease just a touch. Grabbing a little bit more of that lighter pink and just sort of blending over the edge here just to blend the shimmer into the dark grey. Just want to try this Moon Glow, which is a really bright silver there. And I'm going to try it on a Sigma E21, just a tiny little brush. Just want to pop a little bit of that in the inner corner. I might bring that up just a little bit on top of that light pink shimmer. Right, so I'm just some mascara, so I'm using my MCO Beauty. I think this is Sophie Monk's brand. I bought it at Woolworths in Australia, and it's very, very cheap. It goes on so easily. It does not transfer up into my crease. Now I have hooded eyes, so if anything's going to transfer, it will transfer on me. And this doesn't. So I love it for my top lashes. You can see how easily that just went on. So I'm just popping some Marc Jacobs Blacker in the tight line area. Now I'm just looking at that dark grey. Once it's mixed with that pink, it's gone a little bit purple, so I want to deepen that up just a little bit more. So this is called Euphoria. It's not black, it's like a real charcoal dark brown black. So I'm just going to pop on the 221 just a tiniest little bit on the outer corner here. And then just very, very lightly blend that with the same brush. Just deepens it up a little bit more. And then back into that pink just over the top of that just to blend again. That's not a great idea to be doing this once you've put your lashes on, because you don't want any fallout on top of your lashes. Okay, so I did go and put some eyeliner on as well. I had a little bit of lash glue problem, so I just wanted to cover that up. So I've gone in with some eyeliner. I just want to make sure that I've got no black in this area here, because I want to go in with the silver gel liner and see how that works. So a tiny little 315 liner brush. Let's see if I can get this in. I will set it with that silver color as well. And my eyes are semi-watering, so I don't know if this was a great idea. So I'm going to go straight in with a silver shadow on a Too Faced liner brush and just set that. Alright, so that's dried. So I'm just going to go in. I feel like I want a little bit more silver in the corner. So I'm going to pop a little bit of the gel down first up. And then I'm just going to set that with that silver shadow. Okay, on a smudger brush, I'm just going to pop a little bit of that dark charcoal black brown. It's hard to describe the colour. It's definitely not black and it's not brown. Just on the outer edge there. And just with that 221 I'm going to go into both pinks. Just pop a little bit of that underneath there. I might go a lighter pink in through here. Brighten that up a bit. And the darker pink just underneath the black there. Alright, so I'm going to go in with some MAC Extended Play Giga Black Lash. Just great for my bottom lashes. A small wand. And get right there into the inner corner. And it doesn't smudge on me or transfer. So I'm just using a Too Faced nude colour. I'll pop all the colours in the description bar for you. So no lip liner. And then I want to use this gloss. This is called Sucker. Out of the 4, it looks really quite silvery white. We'll see what it's like. Don't forget to wipe off before you put it back in the tube. So, got a little bit of a pinky tinge to it. To me it seems really quite subtle. I can see that there's little tiny bits of shimmer in there. I'm hoping that comes out on camera. All of Melt's lipsticks and glosses smell like lollies. Candy. Yeah, so it's a pinky sort of shimmer colour. I'm hoping that's coming out on camera because it is actually really quite beautiful. Okay guys, so that's my look with the Melt Modern Love collection. I absolutely adore it. I like the look that I turned out with. I love that gloss. So I'll be interested to see what the other ones are like. I'm not doing any swatches or anything like that in this video, but I will be using them in videos to come. So if you like the look today, don't forget to give me a huge like, big thumbs up, and subscribe. Click the button just below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.